Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Aston Martin of Boston, well actually this is probably inventoried under Cadillac of Norwood, we have the 2019 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. It's my first time in the C7 Grand Sport. I've driven the C6 Grand Sport. Made a big mistake and said that the Grand Sport of the C6 gen was the Z06 without the supercharger, but in reality, the C6 Z06 didn't have a supercharger. I was stupid. Now, the C7 Grand Sport is essentially the Z06 without the supercharger, because it's the same 6.2 V8. Obviously, the Z06 has been beefed up a bit and supercharged. This one is a 6.2 naturally aspirated motor. Very, very wide tires on these. These are my Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 3+. What are the fronts at? Does it say? How am I that blind? Oh, 285s. These are probably 335s. Yep, 335s. Very, very nice spec on this one. Silver over red. All right. I love C7s, man. Blade silver over adrenaline red. This one's the automatic. Yes, I know, but it's still really good. Total price when new of $69,110. Remote start, personalized plaque. Ta-da! Sweet. Going to be in track mode, because anybody who wants to buy one of these is obviously interested in sporty driving. The Grand Sport is the handling special of the C7. I mean, the Z01 has all that wing and stuff, but this is, if you had to choose a C7 to be an autocross weapon, this is the one. Now, unlike the C8, you could have got the C7 with a manual in all trims, even ZR1. Really, really cool. And honestly, it might be the last Corvette ever, generation, offered with a manual. C7 is something special. Wow. Wow. This is cool. This is really cool. Wow. What a machine. That's the one thing about the automatic. Yeah, around town it can be kind of slow to respond. It's a great automatic, but you know, around town just kind of cruising, I wanted the manual. But once you get on it and start having fun, this is where this thing comes alive. See, once you're under 4,000 RPM, it's a perfectly daily drivable car. It's just smooth, comfortable. I think Chevy realized that a lot of the Corvette customers are 60 years old and older and kind of just want to buy it to cruise around in it. Ow. But when you're on it, this thing is good. I guess we got a few cars in. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.